Meet the compact tractor that's ready to get it done from day one. The Kubota B01 series brings improved performance, rugged durability, and hard-working comfort to handle jobs in yards, small farms, and more. The B01 is a step up from the popular BX series in size and capability, all while staying easy to operate and highly adaptable. The B01 series jumps up in loader lift capacity. It comes with powerful Kubota diesel engines and HST or gear drive transmission variants to keep you productive no matter what. With 4 models in the series, you'll have an option that will suit your needs. The front grille and newly designed headlights are integrated with a hood for easier opening and closing. This feature provides easy access for service and maintenance. The rear PTO has a 540 RPM output on the HST models, and it is an independent PTO, which allows for continuous speed whether traveling or stationary. Alternatively, the B2401 is an economical and reliable gear model with 9 forward and 3 reverse speeds. When it comes to comfort, the B01 is loaded to deliver. The high back seats are fully adjustable and designed to absorb shock and reduce fatigue. Thanks to a large floor panel and wide step area, the operator enjoys plenty of legroom. The loader joystick is mounted in a convenient location, which makes it easier to operate and allows the operator to get on and off either side of the unit. Best of all, the pedals, controls, and tilt steering wheel are ergonomically laid out for easier operation. HST models even offer a split brake, which allows the operator to perform tighter turns for improved maneuverability. Our proven hydrostatic transmission provides the B01 series with smooth and powerful driving performance for heavy-duty loader applications. The operator can shift low, medium, or high to the right speed for the job at hand. The 3-point hitch controls are also ergonomically placed and comes with position control, so the operator can raise and lower the hitch to a specific height. All models come with a standard universal Category 1 3-point hitch with impressive load capacities. Another key feature on the B01 series 3-point hitch is the telescoping stabilizers. These make it much easier to connect or disconnect rear attachments. Up front, the B01 comes with a swift tack loader, enabling you to remove the loader without leaving your seat. This also includes a hydraulic connection with no tools required. With the loader off, you can engage the versatile K-Connect front hitch system for ultimate adaptability. It's designed to be installed or removed quickly and allows attachment of front snowblowers, front blades, or a sweeper to the B01 for more workability. With great capability, reliable performance, and robust comfort, the Kubota B01 is ready to work with you from day one. Visit your local Kubota dealer to try it.